What's up guys, Amy here. In today's video, we're going to create an order form and order page inside of Groovesell and Groove Pages so that you can sell your online courses as well as digital product. Let's get started. Alright guys, to follow along in this tutorial, you will need to have designed your order page as well as your thank you page or order confirmation pages inside of Groove Pages. In this example, I'm creating a product called Amy's Coaching, with 3 pricing options. So you've got 30 minutes, 60 minutes, as well as 90 minutes. I've also created the thank you page for the 30 minutes, as well as the 60 and 90 minute coaching call thank you pages. First, you want to design your order pages through Groove Pages. I've already designed one to save time, but if you're new to Groove Pages, check out my Groove Pages review and how to create an opt-in page on Groove Pages on the top right-hand corner. Now, once you've got the design of your order page, you want to go to Elements, scroll down, and then drag in this Checkout Embed element. And then you just pop it in here. Close out of this, then click on Save. Now you want to log into Groovesell, then go to Funnels, click Product Funnels, close out of this, and a product funnel is where you set up your pricing, upsells, downsells, and payment gateways. I've already created the Amy's Coaching product funnel, but let's recreate this product funnel I have here so you can see all the steps involved in setting up a product funnel. New product funnel, and then give it a name. I'll call it Amy Coaching 2, give it the same name and description or whatever description you like. Then click on Create Product Funnel. Now you want to click on this check icon button. And there's 11 steps that we need to go through. So think of this as a sales wizard that guides you through all the steps you need to create in order to have your product funnel functioning. So we're going to call it the same thing, Amy Coaching 2, so I know, same description, and it's a front-end product. But if you like to sell additional products with an upsell or downsell, you will click on this. For simplicity's sake, we're going to choose a front-end product. Then click on Save and Next. Now for the pricing, we want 3 pricing options right here. For the first pricing, we'll call it Amy's Coaching 30 minutes, same name and description, and this will be a one-time payment of $97 for 30 minutes. We'll click on Add a New Price Point, and this will be for 60 minutes. Paste that in, the same thing. And for the second price, it will be $187. Now, if you're not doing 3 different pricing options and you have a membership, then you can enable a trial. I'll click on Add a New Price Point again. This time it will be for 90 minutes. And then I'll enter the same internal name and descriptions. For 90 minutes, it will be $247. Now, I'm happy with that pricing and I'll click on Save and Next. The third step is setting up our payment gateways. Now, I've already created a video called Connecting Your PayPal to Groovesell. So check that video up because it makes this whole process much more easier. And once you've set that up, you would go to PayPal and then add PayPal, select it here, then give that 100%. Now, if you don't want to use PayPal, you can delete this, go to credit card, click Add Card Gateway, and then select Stripe, give that 100. And what 100 means is that 100% of your sales revenue will go to your Stripe account, or 100 will go to your PayPal account when you click on Add 100. So I'm just going to go with Stripe and leave it at 100. And if you don't want to use PayPal or Stripe, you can click on Apply for a Merchant Gateway and connect to GroovePay. In this example, we're sticking with Stripe and then we'll click on Save and Next. 4 is Contents, and this is where you enter in your sales page. So for example, my sales page could be amyvo.com coaching. Then my thank you pages will be the thank you pages for the 30 minutes. I'm just going to grab the URL from here, go over here and then paste that in. Grab the 60 minutes thank you page, go back here and then paste it underneath here. And for the 90 minutes, I've already created that page as well. So I'm going to go over here and copy that, go back here and paste that in. For the refund period, because it's a coaching call, there will be a 0 refund period. But if you have a digital product, you might want to set that to 30 days. Let's click on Save and Next. For checkout, you can customize the look and feel of your order form. So Groovesell will host the order form for you. So you just leave it as is, then go to look and feel. I'm just going to select the blue sidebar so that it looks like this. I can upload a product image. Go here, scroll down and find the product image, which is me, and then select that. Form fields, I don't need the address or the phone number or company because everything will be done via Zoom call. Click on Express Checkout. No, I want to initiate the full checkout experience. But if you're doing one-click upsells, then you can click on Yes, Activate Straight Through Payments. So for us, we'll click on the first one, Cart Abandonment. If you would like to integrate your email marketing autoresponder, you would go to here and then click on My Integrations and then Add Integrations. Then you can go over here and select whichever integration you have, and it's a simple authorization process. You can either authorize by API or you can log into your provider and authorize Groovefunnels to initiate the connection. Now, I don't need any integrations, so I'm going to exit out of that. For custom CSS tracking, this is where you can include any tracking scripts like your Facebook pixel or any custom CSS that you like here. Legal, you can select specific terms and put your terms and conditions here. I'm just going to leave it as is for simplicity. Language will be set to English. For compliance, we're going to skip that. Exit pop-up is coming soon, as well as testimonials. Now we're going to click on Save and Next to go to number 6. Currently, there's no order bumps, so you just click Save and Next as well. For number 7, which is funnel, this is where you can configure your thank you page or upsell or downsell pages for your sales funnels here. Now, given that I'm not doing any upsell or OTO, then my thank you pages will be automatically added here. You can also switch this tab over and add any tracking codes that you like here. We then can click on Save and Next. Number 8 is fulfillment. I'm not going to include any delivery pages. These are coming soon in terms of downloadable file and integrated membership, or you can go to integrations and add any specific integrations you like or a webhook. Now for me, I don't need any of this. I'm going to click on Save and Next. Because it's a coaching call, there's no need for an affiliate program, but if you have a digital product, you can click on Activate Affiliate Program and then go in here and set the commissions that you like. So you can set this at 50% for the first tier, and if they refer someone to you, you can set that at 10%. And you can do that for each one of the pricing options that you have here. You can also design your own custom landing pages for joint venture. So you can put your URL here, as well as a JV page here as well, and set up integrations. Now I'm going to go back to no affiliate program and then click Save and Next. For proof, if you have a digital product, you know that little pop-up on the left-hand corner, so-and-so just bought XYZ product, you can create it here, and that's very simple. You click on create. You can say that this is customer pop-up, just purchase coaching call. Then click display, and you can set the display notification for how long you want in between other notifications. You can set it at 5 notifications or 10 notification, and whether you want it to be on the bottom left or bottom right, that's up to you. Then the design of it, you can set what title color and background color as well as description color, and show only the country, city, or don't show location at all. And you can set the avatar display with a map image, their profile image, or just show a gravatar. And then you click on create. Now I'm going to close out of that because I don't need that. So I'm just going to close out of that and then click on Save and Next. Now we're finished. Now we're not going to use this tracking link and paste it in the body section. What I'm going to do is show you how to embed the checkout form or the order form on Groove pages. So we'll click on Save and Exit. Then we have to click on Funnels, and then you can see here that Amy Coaching 2, the second product funnel, is in draft mode. You want to go over here and click Make Live. Then you will need to enter in a subdomain. This is not your own subdomain. It's just a name on Groovesell. So we're going to call it Amy Coaching 2 and then make funnel live. Now that the Coaching 2 product funnel is live, we want to go back here and click Manage Products. Then click on this cart icon, and you've got a few options on how to display your order form. You can show one price only and one step checkout, or you can show all the 3 pricing options that I have here and use a multi-step process. So in order to duplicate this order form, we need to go back here, select multi-price option and have it multi-step. Then click next and then click generate link. Now I'm going to click on embed in your own page, copy that embed code, head back to my order page, and this was the element that we dragged in. That element was called checkout embed, and what you have here is a placeholder image. So you will click on that element, click on configure, under this drop down arrow, click on use embed code, click update. Now you need to go to this cog icon and then paste in that code, press save. Then you can see Amy Coaching 2 has appeared here. I'll click on save, give it a few minutes, and then you can see your order page appear. So in the first example, I had Amy Coaching, which was the initial funnel. And what I've done is I've gone in and replaced that order page with the second product funnel that you can see here. That's why it's called Amy Coaching 2. And then you can select it, click on continue, fill in the names, and this is what they mean by multi-step. You go through several steps. If we wanted one step only, then what we'll need to do is go back into Groovesell, click on this cart icon again. This time we want to select multi-price checkout and just one step. Click on next, click generate a link. We'll highlight that embed code again, copy that, go back to our Groove pages, and we'll click on this cogwheel. I'll delete this existing code and then I'll paste in the new code and press save. And if I preview this page, you can see with the one step, you don't go through multiple steps like this. You just go through one order form, enter in your credit card, and then complete purchase. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, like it, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, and until next time, see ya!